Best mouse wrist rest review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular mouse wrist rests in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this wrist rest so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of some of the features of this wrist pad. The one that made our list is the Jamar's Gel Memory Foam Wrist Rest Set. This set is made from high-quality memory foam gel, which provides optimum support as it contours around your wrists. The soft, breathable material is comfortable to the touch and remains cool even after extended use. The non-slip base provides maximum stability so that you don't have to keep shifting the pads around. The keyboard wrist pad is wide enough to comfortably stretch across most keyboards so that you get the support you need, while the ergonomic matching mouse wrist rest complements the set to provide optimal wrist support. To check out the full specs of the Jamar's Gel Memory Foam Wrist Rest Set and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/wristrest. Here's a quick look at some of the features of this wrist rest set. So there you have it, the Jamar's Gel Memory Foam Wrist Rest Set. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and their overall functionality, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Jamar's Gel Memory Foam Wrist Rest Set and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/wristrest. Alright, thank you for watching.